Hi, my name is Dr. Ricardo Pedroza, and I am a teacher and accompanist with the choirs at DGS. I got involved with our program in 2013. It's an attractive place because I know it's a place with reputation. It's amazing. Music is my life. I mean, when I was in I think I made that decision when I was in high school. As soon as I finished high school, I continued with my piano studies. Then I went to college, and then continued. Being part of our choral program, I think. I mean, it's even if they don't want to continue a music career, this is gonna open, so many, and it's gonna provide lifetime skills. Music reading, singing, improving their vocal singing abilities. Is gonna make them more sensitive. And that's a look at me in 60 seconds.